So I had seen an article on one of the grocery blogs about this Marmite tofu, and y'all know how I love working with yeast extract. I mean, that is the key to getting kind of vegan foods to taste nice and meaty. So this recipe is just so easy. So I thought that we would try it out for the summer. So to start off with, we're just taking a block of firm tofu, maybe like medium firm tofu if you want, and then we're cutting it up into chunks. And what the original recipe asked for, of course you're gonna change it, is that you dip all of these tofu chunks into a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of corn flour, and then you just fry it in some oil just for 1 to 2 minutes until you get a nice crust. It gets nice and crunchy on the outside. Summertime, it's warm, I don't want to do any frying, so I just stuck just plain tofu in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for right about 25 minutes until it gets just a little bit crunchy on the outside. It's not going to be as crispy as if you deep fry it, but diabetes. Okay, so this is going to be the really easy Marmite dressing that you toss everything in. And even if you're not a big fan of Marmite, the ingredients that we're going to be putting in here, all listed down below, is going to just transform it into a nice, savory, kind of like meaty flavor. So, some garlic powder, some soy sauce, some maple syrup, and then I'm just going to end it with a little bit of sesame oil so that it's nice and fragrant. And that's it. You can put it into a salad, you can toss it with some grains, some vegetables that you like, and you have a really easy and a really quick and delicious dinner.